Alright, so today we're gonna be just doing a quick unboxing of this, and because it's still totally in the box, I haven't installed it or anything yet. That means I can't really do a review because obviously I've never used it. I know what it does, I know what I got it for, but for now it'll just be the unboxing. Let's see. It comes with a pretty long USB Type B to Type A cable. See, that's the B, that's the A, and because they're white, I guess it's USB 2.0, which I guess for what this does, it doesn't really need more than 2. It's quite long. I think I'd say almost 2 meters long. Oh, there's a little box here. What's in here? Quick start guide. Okay. Let's see what's in here. Oh, market. Oh, I think this is the power. Yeah, power supply. Oh, this is awesome. It allows you to connect different adapters. Obviously, because I'm in the UK, I get the UK plug. And it goes in like so. This is really long. Awesome. Now let's get to the main event. Which is this. Let's take these out. And yeah. Let's make this easy. Chun, 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 chun. Be really careful with this, kids. This is like a scalpel. It's crazy sharp. Always keep it in the lid like that. Let's take a look at the thing. It's actually quite big. I did not expect it to be this big or this heavy, but considering what's in here, makes sense. It's pretty cool, eh? Now I guess it's time for the peel. Oh, it says so right here. Remove protective film. Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna start right here. I'm even gonna turn the microphone. Let's see if you can hear the peel. Quite a nice peel. Not as nice as the tempered glass peel, because faders kind of interrupted this one. Speaking of faders, let's see. Yeah, they feel nice and solid. Very cool. Ooh, these are notched. Like they go, you know? Like they're not loose. And quite firmly notched as well. I like that, because it will help you to know exactly what your settings are, because they go, you know? These are your standard rubberized button feels, just like you would have on a joystick. Yeah, all of the other buttons are just that, they have that rubbery trigger underneath. Very cool. These here, can't show you right now, but they're motorized, which means that like you save a preset, and let's say it's like that, and then someone comes and trolls you like, ah, la, la, la. You go like, that did nothing, because you hit load and they go back to where they were by themselves. It's magic. So there you go. It's unboxed. Stay tuned for a full review, and then I'm gonna have tutorials on how to use this thing, how to set it up. Stick around.